Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by getting the source right. Use a green screen or a clean subject clip so extraction is easier. Once you have a clip, pick an AI remover or chroma key tool. Green screen is fastest and most reliable. Make sure your editor supports per-frame masks or alpha exports for testing. You're doing this now to avoid fixes later. Consistent lighting and a high-contrast subject reduce artifacts and speed up the removal process when you proceed to the next step. Now remove the background. Apply chroma key if you used green screen, adjust tolerance and spill suppression to clean edges. If you used AI, inspect every second and add manual roto where the model struggles, especially hair and motion blur. Once keyed, refine with feathering and edge color match so the subject blends naturally. If you want transparent output, create an alpha channel. Otherwise, composite a neutral background that fits Spotify Canvas's looping constraints. Make sure the loop point matches visually. Finish by exporting using Spotify Canvas specs, short loop, vertical aspect, and the codec that preserves quality. Use WebM with alpha only if your delivery supports transparency. Once exported, preview the loop to verify seamless motion and no haloing. Make adjustments to bitrate, keyframes, or mask feathering if you see flicker. If upload fails or artifacts persist, re-render with higher quality settings or fix the specific frames with manual rotoscoping. This single troubleshooting step resolves most remaining problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.